Hi, my name is Zoe, and I'm going to explain the preterite tense conjugation of stem-changing verbs in Spanish. First, we must learn the basics of the preterite tense. The preterite tense is used to refer to actions that occurred in a fixed point in time, actions that were performed a specific number of times, actions that were during a specific enclosed amount of time, actions that were part of a chain of events, and sudden changes of mood. The preterite is often associated with phrases that pinpoint a particular occasion or a specific time frame. These phrases include ayer, anteayer, anoche, después, durante, y entonces. For regular verbs in the preterite tense, we use the same conjugations for ER verbs as we do IR verbs. For both ER and IR verbs, we use the conjugations iste, io, imos, ieron. For example, with the verb comer, it would be conjugated as comi, comiste, comio, comimos, and comieron. With IR verbs such as viver, we would do the same conjugation with vive, viste, vivo, vivimos, vivieron. AR verbs are slightly different. We conjugate them using aste, o, amos, and aron. For example, the preterite verb endings for hablar would be hablé, hablaste, hablo, hablamos, hablaron. In the preterite tense, AR and ER verbs that change in the present tense do not change. In the preterite tense, you use the regular endings. For example, with the word entender, in the present tense, you conjugate it as entiendo, entiendes, entiende, entendemos, and entienden. However, in the preterite tense, you don't change the stem. For example, you would say entendí, entendiste, entendio, entendimos, and entendieron. IR verbs that change in the present tense also change in the preterite tense. In the preterite tense, you change E to I and O to U only in the third, singular, and plural conjugations. Por ejemplo, in the present tense, preferir would be conjugated as prefiero, prefieres, prefiere, preferimos, and prefieren. In the preterite tense, preferir would be conjugated as preferi, preferiste, prefiero, preferimos, and prefieron. The same rule applies to words with the O substituted with the U. For example, dormí, dormiste, durmió, dormimos, and durmieron.